What are you doing?
Well, I've got some wing stiffies, but I've got like the clone ones. So it says vPerformance on the side of it.
They're not Chinese by any chance, are they?
They are as Chinese as they get, David. So vPerformance is a stupid thing to have written on the back of your Subaru, so I'm spray painting them, is what I'm doing. In fact, it's a nice easy process, focusing on the bit that it says poi and then going up to the top. However, these were a third of the price of the Perrin ones.
Jesus.
So I can't really justify, now that I know these exist, I can't really justify spending that kind of money.
Oh, this is a nice setup you've got. This is
Look,
this is very high tech.
don't judge.
Is that left and strap rated for that way of?
It's certainly it is more than rated for this particular job. I've tried to use paint thinners to strip the white stuff off. That didn't really work, and so now bit of black paint. Don't forget to wear your your respirators and your ear defenders and a hard hat.
2 condoms, mother on speed dial.
Ambulance 3 dial, nine.
We'll just leave you to it, thanks. Okay.
Well, I'll show. I'm not done yet. I'll show like the fitting of this thing, because
we're just getting away from the fumes.
Well, that's all right. Wing stiffies to fit are a really stupid job.
Wow, it really smells like paint in here. Jesus.
It's great, isn't it?
No.
So those are drying really quickly up here.
I know, it's like because we didn't use cheap paint.
That's awesome.
Nice.
We might actually fit these, like before I go home.
Sweet. You can still see the logo on it.
Shut up! Shut up! Get out!
Get out!
That is an actual Perrin one.
Right, I can't see it against your blackness.
Oh, sorry.
Can I say blackness?
There you go, an actual Perrin
that's better.
thing. These have got aero, by the way. These are like,
that'll make all the difference.
It's thicker on this side and thinner on that side.
Wow.
Like space.
So we'll improve the miles per gallon of Subaru.
Nothing will. Right, so broadly in the middle it goes, but there's this question, right? Because there are 5 bolt holes, which would mean you'd have to have another one
I'll
here
take your word for it,
and another one here.
Black on black.
Black on black, not really seen it. It'd be here.
Okay.
But some people put 4. I'm putting 3 because I've got 3. Well, I've got these 2 Perrin ones, but these are going back. So I'm thinking, roughly.
Okay, and then another one there.
And then another one there.
Yeah. Okay.
But then I can't use the screw holes, so I'm probably just going to drill right into the plastic.
Nice.
Because there's you drill a little hole in the top so that you can screw into the spoiler.
So some scumbag doesn't steal them.
So that scumbags can't.
Right through the back window.
Through the back window. And then you get this like little cheapy foam stuff.
It's probably really sticky.
And you put it
Alright.
on both sides.
And then it never comes back off ever again?
And then, well, that's the plan anyway, but
oh, pair of stickers!
Money! Right, so 3M VHB, which is the super high bond foam.
I think
not
it's very
the
high bond.
cheapy stuff.
That would be
SHV. Velocity high bond. So the Perrin comes with like cheapy foam. So I bought a roll of the actual 3M stuff, which is thicker.
What's German for very?
Sehr.
Oh.
With an S. S-E-H-R.
Okay.
Sehr. Gestickmet.
I think if
that sound
ready.
there is that they're ready. Right? So the stiffies are ready. They're falling off now. They are ready. No,
so good. No, it's just this saw blades. Oh, that's good.
Well, this one's dead easy because
that one's it's just
because there's a bolt and we can measure against that.
Getting the what about something of a right angle? How about that? It is a right angle.
That is manky. Show the good people how manky that is.
That is a classic tool that might have been sitting in the rain for a little while. There. Right there.
Middle. So the oh man, I'm just gonna lean gangster style on a too stupid
Slavic
hat.
squat.
It's complete. Right, the
Heels
cheap.
on ground. That is how you know Slavic.
I can't get my heels on ground.
You're not Slav.
I'm not Slav in the slightest. Right, the cheap Chinese copies come with proper 3M VHB, or at least it says that on the sticky. I also bought a larger roll so that when we run out, I can keep sticking. We're going to put Sticky Wiki on the thing. And I'm going to use this handy work surface here. Sounds good. 1, 2. Now it's important to cut them a little bit shorter than the end, because
Flies will get stuck to.
if you cut them too long, it'll poke out the end and that looks stupid, so cut them a little shorter.
If you could touch as much as possible.
And then touch it a couple of extra times just for good measure.
Yeah.
I'm just cutting the bottom adhesive to the right width so that it doesn't poke out and collect bugs, like Dave says. Now, for the middle one, that'll be absolutely fine. Just, you know, adhesive top and bottom, one layer. It's the side ones where you need multiple layers of adhesive. This is going to go so well. Are you ready?
I was going to say, once you get the bottom stuck, then we could lift the top a little bit and peel it. Lest it not follow the curve.
Perfect.
Done. Just leave it at that. Right. Oh, I folded my goddamn.
Wait,
thing in
no,
again.
but we can just lift the, because that would never slide that. That's not a snowball's chance in hell ever of.
Right. So that is at least. Okay, down. Just a little squint.
You'll never know.
No one will ever know. Just glue it down. Just glue it down and walk away.
People will only be impressed by the extra horsepower you get.
Yes. Repeat times 2. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's plus 50 horsepower, plus 100 horsepower, plus 150 horsepower, and aero, apparently.
All that extra downforce.
Is that downforce or side force?
Side stability.
The only thing is, like this, the fact that you have to use so many 3M pads just looks like shit. So we're gonna have to get some black paint or maybe some sealant around.
Yeah. Yeah.
But they are solid. There's no movement at all in them, and that'll only get better. But that's cool. I like it. I'm happy with 3.
Stop your wing bouncing.
Yeah, because that was a real problem for me before, was my wing bouncing.
Yeah.
There you go. That. How many spoilers can I get in this photo? There you go. That looks cool. Nice.